Furious Cars. Subscribe now.
(2019) Jeep Grand Wagoneer review and rumors. 2019 Jeep Grand Wagoneer will be seen available with expanded effective motor options. The data about discharge times and costs keep on incorrect. Talking about Jeep Grand Wagoneer, the long-haul version will accompany awesome specs. Despite the fact that there would be a lot of rivalry, 2019 Grand Wagoneer may be the magnificent choice. Fantastic Wagoneer is one specific of most mainstream SUV models originate from Jeep. 2019 Jeep Grand Wagoneer redesign. There are most cooling reports that the organization would discharge the moving toward SUV models, yet the clients must postpone until 2019. Given that the exact data with respect to this approaching vehicle is by the by negligible, it is desirable to go over about the talk spreads. 2019 Jeep Grand Wagoneer engine. Despite the fact that there are no repaired affirmations about motor instruments, numerous individuals imagine that 2019 Jeep Grand Wagoneer will incorporate more powerful motor choices. One of most conceivable motor alternatives is V6 motor oil or V8 motor 5.2-liter. With these accessible motors, this auto could supply the most elevated creation, more than 285 pounds-feet of the torque and 220 drive. Likewise, Jeep Grand Wagoneer specs even will accompany the 4-speed guide or auto transmission. Directly in the wake of discussing motors, it is fundamental additionally to examine the rates of speed. The drivers anticipated could be equipped for quickening from up to 60 miles per hour just in less than 9 seconds. For the best speeds, it can be more than 120 mph for every hour. If the tattles of diesel motors materialize, this SUV model would be substantially more interesting, outstanding and appealing. 2019 Jeep Grand Wagoneer price and release date. There are numerous specs of this most recent auto which proceeds to unidentified clearly. It is the reason the anticipated costs proceed loose as accurately. Unfortunately, it is moderately difficult to conjecture the assessed cost for 2019 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. In view of the bits of gossip spread out, the value extents could be begun around 60,000, roughly 100,000 cash. Since it is still excessively, the presented time is additionally by the by obscure.